Are you thinking about moving to Arizona? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be taking you to Peoria, and actually Northern Peoria, to a beautiful community that is called Northlands at Tierra del Rio. One of the first things that you'll notice when you visit this community is the beautiful mountain views. The community is built around something called the Calderwood Butte Preserve, and it's a natural landmark here in Northern Peoria, and it has stunning views of the surrounding desert landscape. And it's a popular hiking destination, so lots of the residents here in Northlands at Tierra del Rio enjoy hiking and exploring these trails that wind all the way through the preserve here. So I'm going to take you to 3 different homes and 3 different price points so that you can see what might fit your budget. Let's get started. So here we are at house number 1, but before I talk to you about house number 1, let's talk about those amenities in this community. So the main amenities in this community are kind of those parks and trails, since the community is built around what is called Calderwood Butte. This is the Calderwood Butte trailhead, and there's parking here, and you can take this trail all the way up to the top. Obviously, in the hotter months, you gotta be careful. Also, 4 miles away from this community is PALOMA Community Park. It's a brand new park. It opened in 2020. It's 85 acres. It has a fishing lake. It has ball fields, pickleball, tennis courts. So that's real close by to this community too, because again, we pretty much have that big trail system and parks, but that's pretty much all the amenities. Here we are at house number 1. This home is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, plus a great room. It's 2,391 square feet. 6,000 square foot lot. It was built in 2012 by Polte. It has owned solar. The AC was replaced in 2022. It has gas appliances, reverse osmosis, 2-car garage, and no pool, but upstairs laundry, and it has the north-south exposure, which is great. And the HOA here is $177 a quarter. So here we are at house number 2, but before I talk to you about house number 2, I wanted to tell you about the schools. This is in Peoria Unified School District. Liberty High School is about 5 miles away, and you have Zuni Hills Elementary School, which is real close as well. So here we are at our second house. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, plus a den. It's 2,852 square feet. The lot size is 7837. It was built in 2017 by Taylor Morrison, and this is the Bradshaw model. So there's tons of upgrades, a gourmet kitchen, has an outdoor oasis for a backyard, 12 by 12 Ramada, which covers the built-in barbecue and bar, and it has surround sound, a 55-inch TV in the back, and it's surrounded by single-level homes, so there's no one blocking your view. And as you can see, you have this beautiful mountain range right behind you on this street, and it's a really quiet street at that. So here we are at house number 3, and before I talk to you about house number 3, let me tell you about how convenient this home and this community in general is for shopping, right? 2.1 miles down the street is Fry's Shopping Center. They have a Target, Chipotle, tons of restaurants, Lakeside Bar and Grill, which is a great place to eat. They also have a great sushi restaurant down there. There's a Target shopping center, Kohl's, Marshall's. It's basically called the Four Corners Shopping Center, and that's about 2.1 miles away. So you're conveniently located close to all of your shopping, hardware stores, Home Depot, Lowe's, everything's right in this community. So here we are at home number 3. This home is $840,000. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2,600 square feet. It's on an 8,051 square foot lot. It was built in 2016 by Taylor Morrison. And of course, these stunning mountain views. It has a heated pool and spa, a fire pit,
pergola and grass area and 15-foot sliding glass door in the back. It has a really open floor plan. And this actually is a 4-car garage, so it has tons of upgrades, and you have an $81 a month HOA in here. Thanks for joining me today at Northlands at Tierra Del Rio. I wanted to wrap up by saying there are 8 homes currently for sale in here, ranging in price from $419,000 all the way up to $840,000. And I also wanted to tell you that we are super conveniently located to the 303 freeway, which runs north-south, and that's about 4 miles away. As I mentioned, the shopping here is amazing. It's just about 2 miles down the road. You also have Luke Air Force Base, that's about 24 minutes away. You have Lake Pleasant, which is about 30 minutes away from here, super close. That's where you can take all of those big boats and toys that you have. There's camping there, kayaking. It's one of our larger lakes here in Arizona and in Northern Peoria. Also, the Phoenix airport is about 50 minutes away, so this area is gorgeous. It has those stunning mountain views and conveniently located next to everything, lots of restaurants. Your schools are really close by, so this is a great community. My name is Michelle Seymour, and I'm an Arizona realtor that covers the area west of Phoenix, also known as the West Valley. If this is your first time to the channel, please hit the bell for subscribe so that you can be the first to learn about the areas here in Arizona. We get phone calls every day from people just like you that are thinking about making the move here to Arizona, and if that's you and you're thinking about moving in the next day, week, or month from now, please give us a call, send us an email, drop us a text, and we'd be happy to help. Thanks for joining me today.